Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your RBC Bank credit card. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, there is only one method by which you can cancel your credit card very easily. So the method is via calling method. Okay, so you need to dial this number, the number you can see on your screen. So this is the number, and you need to dial this number, and once you get connected you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your credit card, and they will ask you some few questions like your for identity confirmation. And once they confirm your identity, and they will ask you some reason why you want to cancel your credit card, and you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your credit card, and you need to tell them some you can say genuine reason, and they will cancel your credit card very easily. And this is the method only by which you can cancel your credit card quick and fast. Okay, so if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.